Hello everybody. Today we'll be talking about a new enhancement which was released on 12th of August 2023, and that is seamless synchronization. So the question is seamless synchronization between what? So there's now a harmonious synchronization between the table design in the template builder and the bill view. So what you design is precisely what you see. So what is this particular feature? So right now, let's go to settings, and under settings, you could see other preferences, and under other preferences, you could see a template builder v2. Now here, under the template list, you could see an invoice template one. I'm going to select that. And again, I'm going to select a different template for invoice, that is a custom template. So right now in two tabs, I have selected two different templates for invoice. Let's go through the different traits of invoice template one. So it's A4, the orientation is portrait, no background image, and the important part regarding this particular enhancement comes under table and table design. So you could see it's table design 3. What about this particular template? It's again table design 3. And if you go to update columns under the invoice template 1, you could see that 10 columns are selected, and right against quantity, discount, tax value, total, and taxable value, there is a small box which you can enable or disable, and that is regarding the show sum total. So the show sum total box was also introduced in the same release itself, that was on 12th of August. Now, I'm not going to change anything here. Just to get a preview of things, I'm going to click on generate preview, and you can see here we only right now have a single item in this particular invoice. So we have a total. See, the show sum total is present under quantity, discount, total, and taxable value. Now, there's one more thing I can add. If I select all this, and you see, so which are these fields or columns? What's the speciality about these fields? These are the fields which will determine the final total value of your purchase, right? So I'm not going to submit, I'm just going to close it. You see, there's a difference between these two invoice templates. If I click on update column, this is the thing. I've just selected 7, and I have not enabled any of the show sum total against any of these fields. See, if I click on generate preview and I'm previewing it, there is no total shown. Now what I can do is I can go to an invoice. So under, okay, the customer will be Daniel Wang and 005. This is an invoice. And yes, we have two different items, so it's much more apparent when it comes to multiple items. See, this is a view that we get under an invoice. So what's the speciality here? And to which particular invoice template is this particular view synchronous to or aligned with? Now that can be determined by just going under, looking into the PDF option. See, the set active is right now under invoice template 1. Right, so this is the view under invoice template 1. Is this the view? Yes, under invoice template 1, the show sum total was present for some of the fields like the quantity field, the total field, and the taxable value. Right now, I'm going to change it into custom invoice. I'm going to set it. Are you sure? Absolutely yes. The change will be, through a message, it will be shown to us, but it will not be directly reflecting here. We need to reload the page. So if you reload the page, you could see the difference. The total field was gone. And right now it is, synchronized with or aligned with or directly mapped with the custom invoice which we created. So right now you would have got a clear understanding how this works. There's a harmonious synchronization between the table design and template builder and the bill view. Now, initially, if you want to view it in such a manner, what you had to do is you had to go to PDF option and you had to click on invoice template. And the second one was custom invoice. So under invoice template, you could see this particular view in a PDF manner, and under the custom invoice way, a template manner, you could see it like this. but that option has to be enabled by going under PDF. Right now, that's not the case. If you change the set active, which you want to keep as the default view or default template for your view of the invoice, that can be done. See the change. So this was another enhancement that we have made. Thank you very much. I hope that everybody will be getting used to it and you will be using it as well.